morning everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative, showing you through our new products for November, and I'm going to start with our new collection which is called Something Blue, which is this gorgeous Delfty patterns with the 2020 blue Pantone colour, and I'm going to take you through all of the individual papers. There are 8 designs in our collection, all double-sided, and there are 16 sheets in the pack, 2 of each design. So this is the first one. It's called Blue Bayou, which is this gorgeous Delfty pattern. You know that blue china, it's beautiful pattern. So that's the front and back. There's this one here, it's called Singing the Blues, which is that dark moody blue, and a gorgeous B-side which is great for all your backgrounds when you scrapbook. This one here, it's called Delft Blue, and I fussy cut a lot of these elements out and I loved it. And another B-side for your backgrounds. Your gorgeous flourishes on your Monday blues, all that Delfty flourish look. B-side, of course, is another fabulous scrapbooking background. We have got, oh, that's the back. So this one is called True Blue, which is, of course, that Delft pattern, and the stripy back. This one is Out of the Blue with these beautiful large blue flowers. And the back. First of the fussy type ones, this one's called Why Blue Yonder, and you've got all these elements to cut out, all your tags, all of your sayings and things. And you've got a pattern on the back, and this one is called My Favourite Blue Fussy Cuts, and of course this is designed to be fussy cut out. So you've got some circles and flowers in the colours and flowers in the black and white. And you've got this guy on the back side. Okay, so we also have our little 6x6 collection, which is great for you card makers. I'm going to show you through these two because there is a couple of designs that are not in the big collection. And these are, also this one's not in the big one, all, like, you get 32 pages, so you get 16 and 16. So if stores are using these for classes, they can just literally split it straight down the middle. So they are cute in the weenie size for card making. Yeah, this one here has just got all your cute little sayings for cards on it. Little fussy cut one, some dots. Alright, we're back to the beginning. So you get all 32 sheets in that pack of your 6 inches. We have got the creative cuts, of course, for this collection. So you've got nearly 40 pieces in there, I think. Great value. There are 2 lots of, oh, keep them in focus, washi that we designed to go over this collection. So you've got that Delfty flourish, and you've got this cute little pattern. So we've got a 15mm and a 10mm. We've got 2 new stamps this month. This one is called Zentangle River, which is a cute little, like a Zentangle sketch, and Liddell sketched that one out for us. It's very cute. And this is the other one, which is the tiny graph. So we don't have many of this one because this one's in the kit. We do have something new this month, stickers. So these are title stickers for card making or scrapbooking. They're really fine, and they're in that kind of glitter, in the gold glitter. So they're really cute. We've got our muslin, so we're finally able to pop this up on the store for you, and our all our retailers have this too. If you want to shop locally, you can. We have got some of these cute little wooden Delfty birds. Again, we don't have many of these. These are just left over from the kit. We have got this beautiful lace. You get 90 centimetres, so a yard of this lace in a packet, and you can individually just cut them out of the lace. They're really cute. We have our 2 dies this month. So this one is called our Butterfly Builder, and you get this one here which just cuts out your solid background, this one that just cuts out like an edge, this one that cuts out your filigree butterfly for the top, and of course the center. Everyone misses the center. It's important to have a center. This is our die, and this says Delight, and it's in 2 sizes. I'll put this over in a minute and show you the 2 different sizes in real life. We have got our cut apart sheets. So this is our regular cut apart sheets, which works with our essential dies. We've got 1, 2 and 3, so you can use those on that one. This is our watercolor cut apart sheet, which is just stunning, and you can use our markers on that one for sure. And this is our little card making cut apart sheet, and it's designed to go with our essential die number 4. Let me just show you. If I stick that over there, of course it's going to cut those out. But if you've only got number 5, of course you can use number 5, but then you'll just need to trim them down individually. Okay, so that's our cut apart sheets. You guys have probably already seen these. These are our foam dots in the circles. So you get 2 sheets of the circles in this packet, and this is our squares and strips, and you get 2 sheets of those. And our card and envelopes we've been waiting for forever. So these are here finally, and they are in a really thick 300 GSM. They're really straight, and I think you're going to love the quality of these cards and envelopes when you try them. Our laser cut this month, which is really cute. And I think that's all the new things I need to show you. So let's take a look at some of the collection. So this is the Something Blue collection, and I've made this layout cutting out all the fussy cut elements, and you can just see the shimmer on those flowers? That's the clear sparkle brush I've used on them. So I've made a process video tutorial on how I did that layout. This is one of Liddell's. So this is her little son Brooklyn. So you can most definitely use this for boys as well. Actually, a lot of the DT use this collection for boys. It's beautiful and blue, why not? And this one is Hetty's. Okay, that's what I was going to show you. Delight. So this is the Delight in the big scrapbooking size. She's also used the beautiful lace and the muslin in there as well. And if I just show you this card, this is the Delight in the smaller card making size. But of course you could use it on scrapbooking as well. So we always like to do our titles in 2 sizes if we can. So Liddell's made this cute card with our tags, tops and tails die. She's just dragged it down and made it longer, like put it through twice. And same with this one. She's made this cute little card with our tags, tops and tails die. Again, just running it through, making it longer. And these are some of our new slimline cards, which will be here soon, I hope. Soon, probably the new year. So this is the layer. See how I said we've got a flat layer and then you've just got that outside layer on that beautiful butterfly die. Very cute. And that's that graph stamp. And lucky last, and you see Liddell has also used that sparkle brush on hers. Okay, let's take a look at the card making kit. Card making kits will be available on the 5th. So not today, on the 5th you'll be able to get your card making kits. So in each card making kit for $27 you get some of our rhinestones, you get a whole packet of card and envelopes, some ribbon, a packet of creative cuts, 1/4 of those card making cut apart sheets, of course the card and envelopes pack, and this opens up with 6 designs. You've got 10 cards that I'm going to show you right now. Tanya Ridgewell's made these and they are beautiful. I love all the cards with this collection actually. I think this collection really leads itself to card making. Really cute. So these are in there ready to get you going. So 6 ideas to get you making cards with the card making kit. Let's take a look at what is in the scrapbooking box and what's in the box. This will be available on the 5th of November as well. So let's take a look at what's in the box. Alrighty, so of course you've got the stickers. The stickers are in the box. You get a clear sparkle brush. So a clear sparkle brush comes in this box. So we are sold out of these because we had to hold them for the kit. So, and they won't be back in stock until at least January. But if you get a kit, you've got one in the kit. Those 2 washi tapes in the 15 and the 10 mil. These flowers, which are exclusive to the kit, we don't have any more of these. They're in the kit. Some of the cute little wooden Delft birds. Some beautiful iridescent pearls. That awesome graph, grungy graph stamp. Some of the lace, there is a yard of that, or 90 centimeters. There is this beautiful laser cut. You have got the muslin, the creative cuts, the magazine, which of course has all of the card ideas at the back and all of the scrapbooking ideas at the front as well. So you've got your magazine. You've got some super shiny glitter cardstock. You've got the regular cut apart sheet and the watercolor cut apart sheet. 2 sheets of our really heavy 360 GSM watercolor cardstock. And the paper pack. Wow, I'm running out of breath. I've been talking too long. Let me just show you some of the gorgeous cards the DT have made with this kit. I love this card, and I'm sorry, it's been a minute, so I don't know who's made each of these. And the tags, they're so cute. And then we've got all the layouts. These all will be shared in our social media, so we'll definitely tag everyone in there. I love that cat. So cute. Beautiful. And here's one of the boy ones. Look at these cute little boys. Oh, I think it's the same little boy actually. Very cute. A wedding one, of course. Another boy one. And that is that the grunty grass stamp included in the kit. Another little cute one. I love the blue Pantone and just all the blue with that little pop of gold in all of these layouts. Super cute face painting one. That's a great idea. I've got some cute face painting photos. So that's it. That is the last of the things I'm going to show you. The 2 kits will be up on the 5th at 10:30 South Australian time. We don't have many kits. We've got the same amount of kits as usual. Next month we are going to be able to make a few more kits because we finally can, because it takes us months to catch up. But kits are limited. Get on there quickly if you want one of these kits, or subscribe, because then you are guaranteed to get a kit every single month. Thank you to all of our subscribers, to all of our customers. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for keeping all of my girls in a job. We really appreciate it. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.